My name is Ted Lin, the president of Lin Engineering. Over the years, we have worked with many different companies helping to solve their motion control problems. Rather than using the traditional Six Sigma system, we have successfully implemented a 4.5 Sigma system to improve operational efficiency, deliver consistent quality, and increase the pace of innovation.
To understand Lin Engineering, you need to understand where we came from. And at the heart of it is the technology and innovation. Created by our founder, Ted Lin, is the essence of this company. When Ted started this company, there were already many step motor players out in the market. And he set out to differentiate himself by innovating what wasn't there. And what was lacking in the industry was flexibility and some creativity in terms of how to solve problems. Now, after several decades, some of the industry has caught on, but hasn't caught up. So no one can still do it to the scale that we do it today. And in recent years, we've had time to innovate and develop brand new products that really will set us apart even further. And this is no longer your standard customization. This is really, truly innovating. It is said in many industries that true R&D doesn't really happen in our world, but it does here at Lin Engineering, and this is what we're all about. We want to share all of this innovation with the world, just as Ted did with his initial inception of the company. Well, we actually started in the garage, and Ted was working at another step motor company, and he felt like they weren't doing it the right way. So he started something in his garage, and he started consulting with customers. He couldn't find a customer, and he couldn't generate enough income to support the family. So he started doing some consulting work. He found that certain customers were implementing the step motor solution incorrectly or not as optimized. And so what he took it upon himself was to take the motors, modify it in the garage, and then ship it back out to the customer. So he found some success, but he couldn't have a sustainable business that way. So then he decided to design his own series of motors, and that's how he really started the design and innovation aspect of putting his innovation into the design versus modifying an existing design. So as Ted started to gain some reputation and some business, he obviously had to hire some people on to create systems and the onset of a startup company. Well, it got to a point where it became critical mass, and he couldn't possibly do every single innovation piece himself. So he started building a team. He started building the sales, the operations, the engineering teams, the R&D teams, and today we've got a great team pushing that innovation and supporting, and it's more of a symbiotic relationship between Ted and the rest of the team working together. Whether or not you're a customer, supplier, partner, or a direct employee, Lin Engineering is not just another step motor company, it's an embodiment of knowledge. And that knowledge is available to you, and we invite you to tap into it. Lin Engineering is located in Morgan Hill, California, just south of San Francisco in the Silicon Valley. We are Lin Engineering. Motion control solved.